Hey guys, Todd Ault here, Wall Street veteran, spinning golden goodness out of threads of wisdom. I'm fascinated by the psychology of business and the types of leaders that make it happen. There's a wise old Yoda type of business leader. One who checks the historical data, makes no rash decisions.
I immediately regret this decision.
Then there's the introverted business leader. That Bilbo Baggins kind of character that sees himself on a quest, but they're not sure if they have what it takes. And there's my favorite, the maverick. The I'm going my own way and you can never take my freedom. The Braveheart kind of leader. But make no mistake, it takes all kinds. But I think whatever your leadership style will be, keep in mind that's the trait that'll be reflected in your business. So what character can you think of that best represents your business? Are you the courageous type of leader, making the hard decisions? Or are you the kind of leader that takes the path of least resistance? Every company has its own personality. Only these days we call it corporate culture or some other catchphrase. But the point is, every company will emulate its leader's personality. If you make the hard, correct decisions, your company will likely become more courageous. Take the easy path and make the wrong decisions,
Milk was a bad choice.
and your company becomes a bit more cowardly. So give it some serious thought and choose wisely. Because when it's all said and done, becoming a leader of a successful company is more than a Jedi mind trick. I've given you gold, now run with it.